Hello everyone, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we'll discuss overview of Trace 700 software. After the end of this lecture, you would be able to understand the purpose of Trace 700 software, their features, and then we'll discuss about the capabilities of Trace 700 software. So let's start. So first, before going in depth about Trace 400 software, here what is the main use of this Trace 400 software that we have to discuss here. So see here, the first point is written that Trace 700 is a powerful building energy analysis software developed by Train. That is why it is called as a Trace 700. Okay, a leading provider of HVAC equipment and solution. It is primarily used for performing detailed energy modeling and analysis for HVAC system design, optimization and performance evaluation. Okay, so this is the main use of this software. So now here we have to discuss about the purpose of this Trace 400. In that first it is written HVAC system design. So this Trace 400 helps engineers and designer to select appropriate HVAC equipment based on project requirements, building characteristics and occupant comfort needs. It aids in sizing and configuring HVAC system including air handling units, chillers, boilers, cooling towers, pumps, fans and ductwork to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. So the software assists in designing the layout and arrangement of HVAC equipment within the building space, considering factors such as accessibility, space constraint and noise consideration. So this is the first purpose of Trace 400. Okay, HVAC system design. Second one is given here, energy analysis. Okay, so this Trace 400 provides estimates of energy consumption for HVAC system, allowing engineers to evaluate the energy performance of different design alternatives and identify opportunity for energy saving. It also calculates energy cost associated with HVAC operation, including electricity, gas, and other fuel expenses, helping project uh, stakeholder assess life cycle cost and make informed a decision. Okay, so the software supports the optimization of HVAC system design, okay, and operation to maximize energy efficiency, minimize operating cost and reduce environmental impact. So this is the second purpose of Trace 400. Okay, now the third one is compliance and certification. So Trace 400 helps demonstrate compliance with energy codes and standards such as ASHRAE, IECC and local building regulation, ensuring that HVAC system meet minimum efficiency requirement. Okay, so it assists in achieving LEED certification by providing energy modeling capabilities, documenting energy performance metrics and facilitating the submission of compliance documentation for LEED's project. Okay, so this is the third purpose of and the last purpose of Trace 400. Okay, so this is all about the main purpose of this software. Now come to next one. Now we have to discuss about the features of Trace 700 in detail. In that, first one is what building modeling it is showing. The first feature is building modeling. Okay, so you know that in this here a user can input building dimensions including walls, roofs, floors and fenestration detail also. You can also allow for the specification of occupancy schedules, activity level and internal heat gains. Okay, so incorporates thermal properties of building material to accurately model heat transfer. Okay, so this is the first feature, building modeling. Second one is given here, load calculation. Okay, so calculates here we can calculate the heating and cooling loads based on building geometry, occupancy, weather data, and internal loads. So it provides hourly load profile for better understanding of system performance throughout the day. Okay, the second feature is given here, and the third one is HVAC system design. Okay, so this software helps in selecting appropriate HVAC equipment types and size, okay, based on calculated loads and system requirement. It can also assist in designing ductwork and piping system for optimal airflow and distributions. Okay. Now the fourth one is energy simulation. Okay. The fourth feature of this Trace 400 is energy simulation. So what is this? See, simulate here you can with the help of this software you can easily simulate different HVAC system configurations and operating scenarios to evaluate energy performance. Okay, it can also provide estimate of energy consumption for HVAC system based on simulated operation. Then we have a next one, weather data analysis. So here what you can do, here you can incorporate historical weather data and weather files from various sources for accurate simulations. Okay, you can also analyze outdoor conditions such as temperature, humidity, solar radiation, and wind speed. Then the next is system optimization here. Okay, so it also, this software will also allows for the optimization of HVAC system design, control strategies, and set point to maximize energy efficiency. Okay, it also conducts sensitivity analysis to identify key factor influencing energy performance and system design. Okay, so these are the some features. Here see the next is given sustainability analysis. Okay, then the next feature is reporting. Okay, so generally here what you can do in the reporting and you can say documentation both. So here in this software you can also generate detailed reports summarizing load calculation, energy consumption estimates, system design and compliance documentations. It can also provide you a charts, graph and visualization to aid in data interpretation and presentation. Okay, then the next feature is given here, integration. Integration means what, you can in this software you can also integrate with building information modeling BIM software for seamless data exchange and collaborations. Okay, it also allows for importing and exporting data in various formats for interoperability with the other software tools. Okay, then the final next one is customization. Okay, or you can say support and training. Okay, it also offer you technical support and assistant to user for uh, troubleshooting and software related inquiries. Okay, it also provide a training, also training materials, tutorials and workshop to help user maximize the capabilities of Trace 700. Okay, so these feature whatever I have explained, these features collectively make Trace 700 a powerful tool for building energy analysis, HVAC system design and performance optimization. So empowering engineers and designer to create energy efficient and sustainable building environment. So these are the feature of Trace 400. Okay. Now come to next topic, capabilities of Trace 700. So in that, see the first one point is written here. With the help of this software you can see accurate heat load calculation. You can do the accurate heat load calculation here. You can utilize advanced algorithm. The software will utilize the advanced algorithms to calculate heating and cooling loads accurately. Okay, so consider building geometry, occupancy schedules, weather data and internal load. It provides detailed hourly load profile for better system sizing and design. Okay, so this is the first capabilities of Trace 400. Second one is written here, energy efficiency analysis. So this software will estimate energy consumption for HVAC system based on load calculation and system operation. Already I have explained about this. Okay, it can also assist in evaluating energy performance and identifying opportunity for energy saving. It also provides insight into energy cost and life cycle analysis for informed decision making. Next is sustainability analysis. Okay, after that, next you will get the system optimization. Already I have discussed about this. Software will allow for the optimization of HVAC system design, control strategies and set points. Okay, it conduct sensitivity analysis to identify a key factor influencing energy performance. It also supports the evaluation of alternative design option and energy conservation measures. Okay, so these all are the what the capabilities of trace 400. Okay, so these capabilities collectively make trace 700 a powerful tool for building energy analysis, HVAC system design and performance optimization, empowering engineers and designers to create energy efficient and sustainable building environments. Okay, so this is all about the capabilities of trace 400. So now the topics which we have covered in this session. First, we have discussed in detail about the purpose of Train Trace 700 software, their features and their capabilities. Hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.